Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. To hide apps, you not only need to just press and hold on an app because it's not that easy, but if you want to hide them, then it's not gonna be too difficult. I'll try to guide you through all of the steps required. So let's go to the settings, and now go to your security and privacy. Now go to private space, enter your screen lock, and now you'll find private space lock. Okay, I actually have it already activated, so I'll delete it so we can create it again. I didn't know it was activated already. Yeah, so now let's go to private space, verify it's me. Okay, now click on setup. It'll take a moment. Now it says create a Google account to help keep your okay, yeah, okay, it means just that you can create a second Google account to help keep your data private. So you can sign into an account that's not signed in on the main space on your phone. So you know, the data like synced photos, files, emails, contacts, calendar events, and other data, as well as app download history and recommendations, browsing history, bookmarks, and saved passwords, and suggested content related to your activity in private space apps will be only in the private space and won't leak to the main system. I'll click on, no, I didn't want to click on got it because I didn't actually want to sign in. I'll click on not now, you know? Now choose a new lock for private space, and you can either use your current screen lock or choose a new lock, so it'll be a different one. Let's do it. Enter your current screen lock first, then select what do you want to have as your private space. I'll continue without fingerprint unlock, and I will select a PIN. Now I'll set it to something simple, but feel free to set it to something more complex so it's harder to guess, but make sure you'll remember it because recovering it is quite hard. Now let's click on done, and now if you want to find private space, scroll all the way down. Now you'll find private, you can click on it and enter the PIN, then continue. Now you have your private space, and you can see already there are some apps here. These apps, like the camera app, if you use the private camera app, then it'll put your photos into the private gallery, so they won't appear in the standard gallery because these are duplicates of the apps that you already have. They haven't been moved here, they've been copied here. And now you can also install apps here, right? So you can click on plus, then you can sign into the Google Play, to the private Google Play version, right? If you want to move an app here, then I'm not really sure, I'll check it. Yeah, if you want to install it in private, press and hold on an app, click on install in private, and you can see you still need to like sign into Google Play anyway, so I'm gonna do it with my different accounts, so let's hold on a second. Actually I need to do it anyway, so let's do it. No, a different account, so this is gonna be a different account. Okay, now I'm being signed in currently, and I'm in. And I'll click on no thanks here. Now, if I want to install any app, let's say maybe Facebook. Let's install Facebook. install in private space, and then click on install. And now it is here. So if I go to the private space, it is there. You can see the private space didn't lock itself automatically. I can lock it manually, but maybe you like to actually make it lock automatically. So don't worry, you can do it. You can go to settings, and then you can do things like lock private space automatically every time device locks, 5 minutes after screen timeout, or only after device restarts. So yeah. Now you can also do hide private space, and you can do it. When you do it, then you'll need to go to the search bar here and then search for private space, and then you'll find it. So it's more sort of like hidden. And now if I go to the settings again, then the last thing is gonna be delete private space if you want to delete it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.